How to fix Windows 10 or 11 slow problem. So if you fix your Windows lagging or slow problem, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your settings. So open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you just need to simply go with privacy and security. Under privacy and security, you will have your background apps, right? So you just need to simply scroll down and you find your background apps, or just go with find the setting and then search for background apps. So once you go with the background apps, then you just need to simply turn off your background apps if you're on your Windows 10. Or if you're on your Windows 11, then you just need to simply right click on your taskbar and then go with taskbar settings, or just click on the task manager. On the task manager, now you just need to simply go with startup apps and make sure all of these are disabled. So you just need to simply right click on it and then go with disable. Disable all of your startup apps and go with the processes. And under processes, you just need to simply go with an application that you're not using. So if you're not using your Google Chrome, then right click on it and then go with end task and your task. And after that, you just need to simply go back and remove that. And now go with search again. And under search, you need to search for advanced system settings. So click on advanced system settings and it will take you to this kind of interface, which is the system properties, right? So under system properties, you need to go with the performance and then go with settings. Under settings, make sure that you've selected adjust for best performance. Once you've selected it, now you need to go with apply and OK. And after that, it will fix your Windows 10 or 11 lagging problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.